Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the updated Abeg app and how to win giveaways on the app and how to do different things on the app. Now, in case you don't know, Abeg app is the sponsor of Big Brother Naija Season 6. Now, so 3 months ago, I made a video on how to use the Abeg app. Let me show you guys. 3 months ago, this is the app here, Abeg app review, 3 months ago. But since then, the app has been updated and they've also changed some things on the app. So I decided to do another video and show you guys how to use the new things on the app and how to join giveaways on the app and how to do other new things on this Abeg app. So in case you are just joining the app, this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you can know how to use the Abeg app. Now, before I continue, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Now to how to use the Abeg app. Now, as you can see, there are actually 5 different pages on the app. You have the explore page, you have clicks, you have Abeg, you have timeline, and then you have your profile page. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use these different pages. Now let me start with the explore page. Now on the explore page, this is where you can actually join different giveaways and you can also buy airtime from the Abeg app. So for example, let's say you want to buy airtime. Now all you have to do is just click on buy airtime here, and then you come here and click on buy airtime. So once you click on buy airtime, you enter the amount of airtime you want to buy. So let's say, for example, let's say 200 naira. So just enter 200 naira and click on send. Then you can see, are you sure you're about to send 200 naira to airtime? Now, if you click yes, I'm sure. Now the airtime will go to the phone number that you used to register on the Abeg app. So anytime you want to register on the app, or maybe if you've registered but you don't know, make sure it's the number that you want to use to be getting airtime. So in case you are buying airtime from your Abeg app, the airtime will be going directly to the phone number you used to register on the app. I hope you guys understand. So if I click on yes, I'm sure, yeah, I'll just enter my transaction pin. Yeah, so you can see, yeah, you made it, you sent 200 naira to airtime, done. So I'm going to receive 200 naira airtime on the phone number I used while registering on this app. Now that is how you can buy airtime on the Abeg app. Now the next one is how to join giveaways. Now you can see, if you come to the explore page, you see giveaways here. You can see top giveaways. So these are the top giveaways here, and if you go down, you will see the latest giveaways. These are the recent giveaways. So let's say, for example, I want to join a particular giveaway. So I'll just click randomly on any person. So let me click on this Brenda Peters 500 naira giveaway. So you can see join 500 naira giveaway. So I'll click on join 500 naira giveaway. You can see you have 10 winners, 500 naira each. That means the person is giving out 5,000 naira. So just click on join giveaway. We are checking if you're able to join giveaway. So you can see max participants reach. Only 100 people can join this particular giveaway, and there will be only 10 winners. So that means the maximum number of people that can join this giveaway has been reached. So actually, if you just want to join any giveaway, you can just come here and check for the latest giveaways, or you check for the top giveaways and just click on the person. And there's some people that have conditions for you to join a particular giveaway. So it's either you follow them on Abeg app, or maybe you follow them on Instagram or somewhere. There are people who have conditions for you to join the giveaway on the app. So this is how you can buy airtime and also join giveaways on the explore page on Abeg app. Now the next page is clicks. Now this is not yet out soon, but it's just a way where you can just create a group and then you can spend money with your friends, but it's not yet out. So I'll go to the next page, which is the Abeg page. Now this is where you can send money or request for money from people. So let's say, for example, I want to send money to someone on the Abeg app. So you can just come to this page and then you enter the amount of money you want to send to the person. So let's say I want to send 2,000 naira to someone, and then you just click send, and then you come here and then you search for the person's username. So the person's Abeg tag, yeah, it's also username. So just search for the person's username, and then you enter your transaction pin, and then you send money to the person. That's how you can send money. Or maybe if you want to request for money, so let's say I want to request for 2,000 naira from someone. If you are requesting, you must enter why you are requesting for the money. So yeah, you come to the what is it for, and then you put, so let's say I'm asking for, let's say, for food. Let me just put it there, and then you click on request, and then you click on the person you want to request from, or maybe you enter the username of the person on the Abeg app. Now that's how you can send money or request for money from someone on the Abeg app. Now the next page is your timeline page. Now this is where you can see like notifications from people. As you can see, if someone is following you, you see the notification here. So maybe one of your followers received a badge, you will see the notifications here. This is where you can just see notifications on the app. Now the next page is the profile page, your profile. You can see this is my profile. You have finance YouTuber, and then you have my YouTube channel's link, and then you can see you can also connect your Twitter page or your Instagram page. Now, how do you do all of this on the app? Just come to settings here, you click on settings, so you can see if you want to add a profile picture, if you want to connect your Twitter account or your Instagram account, all you have to do is just enter the username of either your Twitter account or your Instagram account, and you can also connect the two. As for me, I only connected my Instagram page. And also, if you want to edit your profile, just click on edit profile. You enter your full name and your bio. You can see you enter your bio, and if you have a website, maybe like an external website, you can just put it there for people to maybe to locate you on another platform. Next, you can see the people you are following on the app. So if you tap on it, you see the people you are following on the app. And the next one is your withdrawal bank. So if you want to change the bank you want to be withdrawing to, let's say you want to withdraw your money from your Abeg app to your bank app, so you just put the accounts you want to account detail there. Then if you want to change your password or if you want to change your PIN, and also here this is for maybe if you want notifications on the app, and here for help and support, maybe if you want to see if you want to contact them on Twitter or Instagram or via email, or you want to see their FAQs, that are the frequently asked questions. And I think that's all about the app actually. So this is how you can use the updated Abeg app. So in case you are just new to the app, I'm very sure this video should guide you. And also, yeah, before I forget, this is to fund your wallet. You can just come to fund wallet here. Once you click on fund wallet, you see account numbers. So you can just send money to any of these account numbers, and the money you transfer to these account numbers will actually reflect on your Abeg app. So that is just how to send money to your Abeg app. And if you want to do giveaways, so let's say for example you want to do giveaway on the app, just click on do giveaway here. Now once you do click on do giveaway, you can see make people happy with cash at random, start a giveaway. So you enter the amount of money you want to give away. So let's say I want to give out 5k, enter 5k. How many winners do you want to give? Let's say I want 5 winners, so I'm going to give 1,000 naira each. And then you come here, you enter the giveaway reason, the reason why you're doing your giveaway. So let's say to help, let me just put that, to help, and then end giveaway in how many hours. So let's say I wanted to give away after how many minutes should I put? Let me put 6 hours. So in 6 hours, then who can join this the giveaway? You can just pick, okay, everyone on Abeg. So everyone on the Abeg app can actually join my giveaway, and then just click here to see the summary. So you can see you are giving away 1,000 naira to 5 people at random in the next 6 hours. Anyone on Abeg can join this giveaway. And here you see 5,000 naira will be debited from your wallet once it starts. So if I tap here and I click on do giveaway, they will deduct 5,000 naira from my Abeg app. And after 6 hours, I'm going to choose 5 winners, and I'm going to give them 1,000 naira each. So that is how you can actually use the updated Abeg app. And I actually like the app a lot because it's really helping people to actually give out money to just random people, and it is really a nice app. So in case you are just new to the app, I'm very sure this video should guide you. And if you've not downloaded the app, go download the app. I'll actually drop the link in the description of this video, and you can also get the app on Google Play Store or on an Apple Store. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.